So completed our Holi special class. This is our Holi special class for desserts and assorted things. We've done one thing healthy, some brittles, some baklava, some kunafa, some cake. So it's a full combination. Okay, it was a different menu that I had created and just decided on Saturday. So we've done this class with 5 online students from India, pan India, and we've also given a little idea about hamper packaging. So there I have shown you one tray and how you will do your placements of everything which we have made today in our Holi special dessert class. Okay, now coming to your first thing, definitely the in thing is your kunafa right now. So I decided to show you something in kunafa, and this is what we have come up with, a mini kunafa cheesecake, pistachio cheesecake you can say, because we have a pista paste in our cheesecake batter as well. So we have our base, which is our kunafa base with the katefi, crunch, pistachio, lot of other things, and that's how our base, a crunchy biscuit base and katefi pista paste is ready. Then we have our cheesecake, pista cheesecake ka layer, then a very thin layer of a chocolate ganache and some decoration on the top. So that's your mini kunafa cheesecake. We also came up with a kunafa cheesecake tart. Yes, this is a new concept completely, where we have a kunafa cheesecake tart again in this style, very beautifully created with the decoration on the top. Okay, and almost 250 grams of your cheesecake is ready. We also did our mini kunafa cheesecake in this style. आज हमने थोड़ा सा गियर भी डाला है just for a मिठाई look. We have all these mini kunafa cheesecakes, smaller than even that other one, or you can place it in these one individual cups, each kunafa cheesecake. Okay. Second, we did a beautiful thandai cake here with rose icing. So we have this individual thandai mini buns made with rose icing, okay, with lots of rose glaze you can say, and silver work, dry fruits, pista badam, rose petals. Okay, इस तरह से हमने हमारे इंडिविजुअल बंस बनाए हैं, मिनी बंस फॉर ठंडाई. एंड we've also done one more, which is your mini 200 grams of thandai loaf with rose glaze. Okay, and coming to the next one, the healthy version, we've done something healthier today. These are our almond healthy colorful truffles in 4 different colors we have made, just to make it look like colorful for Holi. We have one which is white almond truffles with coconut. We have one the raspberry, pista, and some rose petals. Okay, so we have this assorted healthy almond chocolate truffles here. Chocolate अगर आपको dip करना हो कर सकते हो, आज मैंने dip नहीं किया. Okay, whereas I think I've given you the recipe with chocolate, where you can dip it in chocolate and then do garnishes, but I think the coating looks better and more healthy, because chocolate डाल दिया तो ज़्यादा healthy नहीं होगा. Okay, so that's when I thought of not dipping this in chocolate. Yeah, this is your best part, where we have a very nice crunchy mixed seeds thandai brittles. Okay, this is how your crunch is. These are your brittles, which you can place it on top of your dessert jars just like that. Okay, and also you can put these in your mini pouches and put them in your hampers, so that people love eating chikkis and all these sweet things during Holi, Raksha Bandhan and Diwali. Actually speaking, ये आपका तीनों festivals में बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. Okay, so make use of this, implement with different ingredients inside. Follow the same recipe. आज हमने ये raw sugar से बनाया है. So there is no processed sugar, no caster sugar, no white sugar. It's made with raw cane sugar. Okay, so that's how it becomes healthy as well. And coming to the next one, oh yes, this is the main, your gujia and samosa baklava. This is how they look, so beautiful. Now this is your ghee के साथ स्टफिंग की है हमने. गियर इज योर सिंधी जलेबी, विच यू कैन से इट. हमने उसको बनाया गुजिया शेप में, हमने बनाया एक समोसा शेप में, एंड दीज आर बेक्ड, दे आर नॉट फ्राइड. Okay, and of course if you want to drizzle chocolate you can, but I have not done it. I have drizzled with my honey cinnamon syrup and some pista and rose petals. Okay, so that's your samosa ghee samosa baklava and your ghee gujia baklava. Okay, and just to give you the concept, the hamper can be done like this, with your tart cheesecake, with your 6 truffles, with your cake. You can put brittles in a pouch, and what other thing? I think, yeah, गुजिया baklava you can also place it somewhere on the side. थोड़ा इसको ऊपर करके आप यहाँ पे भी place कर सकते हो. See, all this placement you can do depending on how much space you have. Okay, then you will take a nice net wrap it, put a holy hamper or holy topper. Okay, so start promoting. You have only 3 days left. I think 2 days पकड़ के चलो, because 13th को आपकी होली ग्रहण है, तो सॉरी होली का वो होगा जलाने का, तो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट टुडे इटसेल्फ. जितना बना सकते हो ट्राई करो, कुछ बना के और प्रमोट कर दो. ओके गर्ल्स, एनी क्वेश्चंस? नो, ऑल गुड. कॉन्फिडेंट. ठीक है, चलो कुछ होगा बनाने के टाइम, प्लीज क्वेश्चन मी और आस्क मी एनी डाउट्स ऑफ योर्स. You can ask me at the time of making. Done, girls?
Yes.